Hi guys, everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be talking about a very important issue which most people they ignored, and it's the main reason why your car malfunctions sometimes. So before we go on with this video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell button so you can get a notification whenever I drop a new video. So in today's video I'll be talking about the electrical parts of Acura, Honda, or any kinds of car. Okay, because I have an issue recently, and the issue is that my both fans stopped working all of a sudden, and it's really giving me a lot of headache. And the problem is from my fuse box. Yes, the fuse box sometimes need to be changed when there is a lot of issues. So you can see here I rerun the wiring for the fan, and in the first place the guy actually bridged the wire into one of these fuse, and I said no, I don't want that, you should change it or find a way out. And he said the problem with my car is that the fuse box is getting weak and a lot of wire got burnt. That is why you see there is a lot of wire that is bridging in under few fuse. You can see all this wire you see I'm holding, they goes directly into my fuse box, about 5 wire I think, and this indicates that the fuse box is actually getting weak. Though your car will start up, your car will run fine, so most times this wiring issue also affects your jar, because it affects mine. When I put it in drive, it takes a while to engage, sometimes it doesn't engage, and this is where the problem is coming from. So I hope you learn more from this, because if you have any issue from your car and you fix everything and still yet no changes, or you don't see any differences, then you go to your fuse box and change it. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.